Hey everybody, this is Mike Alder from Mike Alder Photography. Stay tuned for my review of Smoky Bombs. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, so here's my invoice. So I have two single vent orange, which means the orange smoke will only come off of one side. And I got two dual vent pink. Dual vent means smoke comes off on both sides, and two dual vent greens, which smoke comes off on both sides. So now let's go out in the field and I'm gonna let you see how they work. So I'm out at the park right now. I got the smoke bomb and I'm gonna give it to my model Lily here, and she's gonna use it. I'm gonna give her a quick training on how to use it, and then we're gonna take some shots using it. So without any further ado on that, here we go.
Sides, so just try to like have it down, things like this. You know, compose it, put it that way, but keep it to where it's like that, because if you tilt it this way, then it's gonna blow up and cover your face. You don't want to cover a little bit of your body. You want to cover it, and none of your face. You want to cover your face. But it's flying everywhere, so it's hard to manage. There's no science to it. Do your best. Not yet. I'll tell you when. Up and there was a big smoke puff in front of you, and it's like, I can't see her. Okay, so that part of the shoot didn't go quite as planned because some of the smoke got in her face, but we're gonna try a different approach in a different part of the park. So we'll try again. Here we go. So here's take two. We got some good ones on that one. All right, so I'm out here on the train tracks. I'm waiting for my model to show up, and then we're gonna do some more smoke work. I got a couple more colors up my sleeve. I think I got a green in there, and she should be here any minute. And once she is, we'll get started. Third iteration of the smoke.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take her down. We're gonna do a quick tutorial, and then get started. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you to everybody for watching my video. Make sure you click the subscribe button to get upcoming content from my channel. Also, click the like button and drop me a comment if you did in fact like the video. Also, follow me on Instagram at @MikeAlderPhotography. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.